3,
3. Ladies and gentlemen. 3. Next.
0,
0.
1,
1. 1.
4,
4.
0,
0.
7,
7.
2,
2.
1,
1.
0. Okay, 1, 4,
1.
4,
4.
1, 8,
And 8.
1.
These are the numbers. Kayo yung nag-multiply doon, yes? Sobrang saya ko na you are all one. Kinikilig ako. Kasi nasa harap ko yung mga tao nagsabi na itong numbers na to. Because you have to think of those numbers para ito yung maging ito. Alam niyo kung bakit? This might not make sense at all at first. Pero you know what, ma'am? Pag binaliktad natin, thank you very, very much, ma'am. I am Justin Pinion. Add me on my socials, look for my name, Justin Pinion, mind reader. Enjoy the rest